and welcome to Food and Magic. Pinata cake is trending nowadays and is also called as the surprise cake or smash cake. You can hide a gift like a ring or a watch or sweets inside the chocolate shell placed on top of the cake. So let's begin making this cake. Here I've taken a 7-inch heart-shaped silicone mold. I have also taken a 7-inch cake tin to bake the cake. The silicone mold too is of the same size. Line it with butter paper and grease with oil. Let's make the cake batter. This cake I will make using a vanilla premix. Here I am using 1.5 cups of cake premix. Here I have taken 1 cup of water. As the premix has to be mixed with water only. Add little water at a time and mix well. Always remember to add little water at a time to get a perfect consistency. I have used only half a cup of water for 1.5 cups of premix that I have used. This batter now is nice and smooth. To this I will add 2 tablespoons of refined oil, and mix well at this stage. Make the batter of flowing consistency to get a perfect sponge. Pour it in the greased tin. Tap at least for 10 to 15 times to remove the air bubbles. Let's bake it now. Here I have heated an aluminium container for 10 minutes. To this I have added half a kg of salt and placed a ring on top of it. Place the cake tin and cover the container. Cook on high flame for 10 minutes and then on slow flame for 20 minutes. After 30 minutes the cake is done. Let's check it now. When the toothpick comes off clean, it is done. Let's prepare the decorations. Here I have taken little fondant. I have shown these flowers in details in my pineapple cake video, the link to which I have given in the description box below. Here are the flower plungers. Just press uniformly and cut the flowers. I am making a few small ones too. Just press with the ball tool to give a shape to the flower. I have made them in 2 sizes as I will use the ones that will look good on the pinata shell. Apply a little sticking gel and stick the sprinklers of your choice which would match with the chocolate shell. Let's prepare the chocolate cover now. Here I have taken 250 grams of chopped white chocolate compound. I will heat it for 30 seconds in the microwave to melt it. The chocolate has melted completely. To this I am adding pink food gel color. This is a lovely baby pink color. Pour it into the silicone mold and swirl several times as the chocolate keeps cooling and a thick layer keeps forming uniformly. Remember to take butter paper underneath. Let it sit for 2 minutes and swirl again. Pour back the extra chocolate and set into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Scrap off the excess from the sides of the silicone mold to get clean edges. Refrigerate this for 30 minutes now. After 30 minutes it is set, pour more chocolate for the second layer and be quick this time as the chocolate is cold and so it will start setting immediately. You can use a spoon or a paintbrush to spread the chocolate and then refrigerate again for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the chocolate shell has set. Loosen from the sides and demold it very gently. And here our lovely heart-shaped shell is ready. I'm going to dust it with silver edible dust to get a nice gloss on the surface. I think the gloss is not visible in the camera, but it looks very shiny and glossy. Here I've added a few more drops of pink color to the remaining chocolate and I will use it to decorate. Drizzle this chocolate whichever way you want and immediately add the sprinklers to stick on it. I will also stick the flowers with the melted chocolate. Instead of fondant, you can also pipe out flowers with the whipping cream. And a cover is ready. Let's make the inside cake now. This time I will show how to cut the cake with a thread. Make little cuts from all the sides of the cake. This technique is good and easy for the beginners who are not confident to cut the cake layers using a knife. Insert the thread in the cut we have made. Cross the thread and pull in opposite directions. You will get a perfect cake layer and this technique will never fail. Isn't this a perfect layer cut? I'm cutting a smaller heart as I want lots of space inside the chocolate shell for the gems and chocolates that I'm going to place on top of the cake. Remove the excess cake. Again I'm cutting a layer to give a strawberry filling between the cake layers. This is half cup of chilled whipping cream. Let's whisk it now. And as the quantity is less, it is done in just 3 to 4 minutes. Apply strawberry crush on the base layer and spread evenly. I'm using strawberry flavor because I'm making a pink colored pinata shell. You can use any flavor that you like. I'm using a French star nozzle and not spreading the whipping cream with the palette knife as it will come out from the sides. This way the cream will stay in its place. Place the top layer of the cake and place whatever surprise you want to put on this cake layer. You can put small notes or gifts on this layer and cover with the chocolate shell. It's such a pleasure to smash open this cake. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.